In this quick video, we're going to show you how to use Salesflare's meeting scheduler to streamline your sales process and set meetings with ease. If you're looking to boost productivity and make scheduling a breeze, you're in the right place. Salesflare is a powerful CRM designed to help businesses close more deals faster, and its meeting scheduler is one of its standout features. It integrates seamlessly with your calendar, allowing you to effortlessly set up meetings without the back and forth email chain that often wastes time. To get started, you'll first want to make sure you've connected your calendar to Salesflare. This integration is key, and once it's done, the software automatically syncs your available time slots. It's like having your calendar and CRM working hand in hand to ensure no overlap or confusion. Next, head over to the Meeting Scheduler section within Salesflare. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to create a meeting link that you can share with your clients or prospects. Simply select the type of meeting you want to schedule, whether it's a quick call or a detailed consultation. You can customize your meeting settings, like the duration and available time slots. And here's the beauty of it. Salesflare will only show the times that you're actually free, so no more double booking yourself. Once your meeting link is ready, you can share it directly with your prospects. When they click on it, they'll see your available time slots, and all they need to do is pick one that works for them. No more endless back and forth trying to find the right time. Salesflare's meeting scheduler handles all that for you, but it doesn't stop there. You can also set up automated reminders for your meetings. This reduces no-shows and ensures that everyone stays on track. Plus, the system automatically adds the meeting to your calendar, so you don't have to manually input anything. Now, you might be wondering how this integrates with your other sales efforts. Well, the meeting scheduler works seamlessly with Salesflare's CRM capabilities. As your meeting approaches, you'll see all the relevant information about your contact, including previous interactions, so you can go into every meeting fully prepared. The best part? You can use Salesflare's meeting scheduler completely for free by clicking the link below. And as an added bonus, we're offering an exclusive extended trial for this software, so you can fully explore all of its features without any restrictions. To wrap up, if you're looking to save time, increase efficiency, and close more deals, Salesflare's meeting scheduler is a game changer. By automating the scheduling process and integrating with your calendar and CRM, you'll be able to focus on what really matters, building relationships and closing sales. Click the link below to get started with a free trial and enjoy the extended bonus features available only through this video. Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your sales process.